A NYCHA complex in East Harlem has been awarded more than $8.3 million from FEMA to prevent future flooding.
Fox 8's Chris Welch talked to the people who live there at the Clinton houses, and they say that recent storms have wreaked havoc on their homes.
The second floor, the first floor, the 17th floor, the 18th floor, 16th floor, they flood a lot.
When it starts flooding or the rain or out here, in the lobby area, it stinks like really bad.
It comes from the roof always down to the basement, and the elevator goes out completely. I have to help old people up the steps when the elevator goes out.
Cornelia Sullivan has lived at the Clinton houses at 108th and Lexington for 44 years. And he says on his list of issues, flooding is near the top.
Remember when that last storm we had? That was outrageous.
In my house, in my apartment, there was flooding.
Majority of the time when it rains, you see the flooding coming from out the walls.
But residents will soon benefit from $8.3 million awarded by FEMA for what the agency is calling a stormwater resiliency project.
It'd be just great.
Now that make me feel good for the community, make me feel good for NYCHA to knowing that things are going to get upgraded.
The money is coming from the bipartisan infrastructure bill that President Joe Biden signed into law 2 years ago, which directed more money to communities so that FEMA says they can better withstand the growing climate threat. In a statement, FEMA Region 2 Administrator David Warrington said Clinton Houses, a low-income public housing development in East Harlem, is just one example of how we are leveraging nature-based solutions to reduce risk and benefit the community in many other ways. A similar flooding mitigation project at the South Jamaica houses in Queens will include a sunken basketball court that can act as a reservoir. Now, we requested interviews from officials at both NYCHA and at FEMA. Neither organization responded by deadline. In East Harlem, Chris Welch, Fox 5 News.